Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on how to make these lines thicker in the middle, and I started thinking about a lot quicker way. So I'm going to make a duplicate of this. This thing's big. I'm going to make it like 22 inches, and I'm going to make a duplicate of that. So in the original video yesterday, so this is part two, I went and intersected it, and then I have those lines. But also in the video, I made a copy of that. And what I did, I left click, right click, and I went, and it's really easy. So this doesn't save all that amount of time. And if you hold down your Alt key, you can go through and delete all the lines. But I actually thought of another way. So if you take this exact same example, and you can see that the blue is on top of the red, so these lines are behind it. If you will select them all and go back minus front, and look at that, it took away all the lines. So now you can nudge that over, make them all black or whatever color you want, and grab the inside ones. Can't really tell if you got them or not, and then make them a thicker line. It saves you from cutting. Front minus back, back minus front is a really good tool, and I just wasn't thinking about it yesterday. So a little short video on that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.